I just skipped this whack-ass producer named Blizzard, and I also skipped this bitch that I let on Tinder. I even skipped your tattoo that looked like Barry Glitter, and when he tried to confront me about it, I shot him in the gut and put his hand in the letter. Shot through and the balls and it glittered, a voice that glittered, and I always got the freshest fits on. You can't call me Mr. Glitter, and I be always flipping cracks, who just keeps calling me Mr. Flipper. And I almost fucked this bitch, but then I found out she was Mr. Crash, that with my life was wrapped up of opioids and I caught a misdemeanor. And I used to sell drugs to this junkie that they called misdemeanor Peter. About to lace other spells with some shit that's hella lethal. And I'm about to fly out to Kansas City because I'm not being Mr. Bad lethal. I ain't no law-abiding citizen, everything that I do is illegal. Almost in my pants because I saw the cards through the thing. Hold place brother spells with venom, he waits out like Ruby. And shout out to your grandma because that dead bitch sent me a check like every other week. Smoking on that doctor, that this and that shit reaps. And I feel like Walter White selling milk out of a broken down Jeep. I ain't trying to fuck that bitch because she looks like a fucking gun and freak. And I stole my dog's dream card after I found out he was a refugee. That junkie hella sketch he gave me the Jeebies. And I just been slapped this guy Terry Dwayne and stole all his ice cream. Got these drenched out diamonds on my neck, call that shit ice cream. And you ain't no shit about fashion if you still rockin' Supreme. Brother's house out bad that it gets out of his own house by his bitch. That shit would never happen to me because you know I'm a pimp. Rocket through religion, so I don't tolerate it. Lost the cops because they're fat asses to good doctor friends. And I just grabbed this rat and he left it up and bro tried to run after me but I knocked him out.